Ayan guys, these are our ingredients to make our chocolate banana microwave cake. Sobrang dali niya gawin at sobrang sarap. So we have here fresh milk, cocoa powder, we have Nutella. Additional lang yan if you would like. We have brown sugar and all-purpose flour. And then we have baking powder, we have Milo and oil. And I also have one piece of banana right here. So let's start. Ayan, meron din pala tayo ditong chocolate chips that we can add to our cake. So, ayan guys. I'm just using my phone to film this chocolate mug cake. So, I can give you an idea kung anong pwedeng i-merienda, i-serve sa kids, ganun. So, bear with the quality, pero makikita naman. So, I have here a microwavable mug, of course. And then, meron lang itong mga measuring spoons and cups. So, accurate yung measurement natin. So, start it out. So, ayan guys, ipapasok na natin yung ating mug sa loob ng microwave. And then, you can set your timer to a minute. 60 seconds lang. And then, press start. And then, we'll wait for our cake to be done. And then, there's our cake, guys. Umalsa na siya. Actually, yung ingredient niya nagpapaalsa sa kanya is the baking powder. So, dapat hindi natin makakalimutan yan because without that, hindi siya aalsa like a cake. So, ayan ang ating chocolate banana with Nutella. Mga cake, kita-kita pa yung mga Nutella niya. Sobrang sarap, guys. So, let's see. And guys, oh, super moist niya sa loob. It looks so yummy. Patikim natin kay Bossing kung pasado ang ating mug cake. Baby, you have to taste it.
It's hot, baby.
Sarap, right? Sarap, guys. Oh, super moist niya. Tapos yung Nutella, nagbe-melt-melt pa. Oh, baby. Hindi, ganun. Parang Look at that. Super sarap.
Chocolatey. Sarap to kung may vanilla ice cream.
Correct, parang lava cake. So, ayan guys, tapos na akong gumawa ng ating simple cake for today. It only takes 5 minutes to do, literally. So, pwedeng pang merienda sa inyo, sa mga kids, ganon. So, guys, thank you for watching our short vlog for today. The merienda special ngayong quarantine season. Thank you for watching. Padaster pa ako at hindi pa naliligo, pero it's okay. Ganun talaga guys. So, thank you. Bye-bye. Baby.